This is how to make your own garlic paste. It's easy and free. Only what you buy is the garlic. Start with separating the cloves from the garlic. Then soak them in the water. If you want overnight, you can do 12 hours so that they soften and easy to peel. Peel them. All done. Then take all the peeled garlic, put them in the blender. Sometimes you can bake them or you can fry them for different taste. Once they get in the blender, add oil of your choice. For me, I'm using olive oil. Then blend thoroughly. You can use very smooth blender or you can use the coarse blender if you want it smooth or you want it coarse. See how beautiful it looks. Then pack in small bowls depending on your family. If you have big family, you can use bigger bowls like this one. If you have small family, you can use the smaller bowls. This is a little bigger bowl for a bigger family. and this is a smaller bowls for smaller family. Then label them. If you want, you can put a date as well, so you can know how old. But I cook a lot, so I don't have to put a date because they will be done maybe in a month. Okay, God bless you. Thank you for watching.